The Gold Coast Hinterland, a place of wide plateaus, dense rainforests and big waterfalls. But hidden amongst it all is a great walk, a 54-kilometre, 3-day epic hike through the rainforests of Lamington, Binnaburra and Springbrook. And it was in September of 2022 that myself and my friend Keenan decided that we would walk it. However, being the busy university students that we were, we felt we could only spare 2 days of our time, hence we would start from Binnaburra. And so when we arrived there in the late afternoon, we were most definitely prepared for the task ahead. Like all good hikers, our first stop was the information board, where we assessed whether or not we could check off all the required items.
Phone, fuck.
I don't know one of those.
Torch.
Yeah, one of those.
First aid kit.
I got a sus one, but yeah.
Check conditions, weather fines, they're all fucked. A day or two before leaving. Dude, we're fine. Are you like literally doubting yourself right now?
No. This is fine. This is fine.
Because you did like the awkward laugh. From
Oh yeah, me and Keenan panicked for a second when it said, "Do not proceed unless you have a topographic map." So therefore, we concluded that navigation was required, and it's going to be a meme now.
Having assessed that we were well prepared, the next task was to decide whether to sleep in our respective car seats or assemble a tent in the now diminishing light.
We've aborted our car sleeping. We've committed to tenting. We will practice.
late minute.
We will what?
Put it last minute decision.
Yeah,
because it gets dark.
Exactly. So yeah, exactly. Now we have to make a tent in the dark. Okay, that was an actual demon. I'm quite scared for my life at this point.
With the walk now most definitely cursed, the tent was assembled.
Alright, tent assembled. The tent has been assembled. I am losing my breath, blowing in. Oh my god.
Bro, my
Blowing my mattress.
blowing out.
Bro, this lamp is broken already. Keenan is dying.
I'm slimming like this.
Dude, look at this lamp. It just goes off. It's over.
I'm not gonna lie down and
over
breathe.
for us.
That's impossible.
Alright, Keenan's pissed off. I let a scorpion in and he thinks he's gonna die now.
Nah, my leg's itchy, bro. What the fuck? Also, there's like literally massive fucking holes in the fly net.
Oh, Keenan's complaining about the integrity of the tent. He thinks he's gonna get eaten.
Nah, it's fine. Got the tent.
Eventually, sleep was had, but the next morning, things didn't start brilliantly. Alright, situation update. My cheese biscuits were eaten by a bush turkey. Although half survived. Yeah, they got dragged off into the bush. I'm very annoyed. Never mind though, and soon we had begun the walk.
Alright, here we are, on the walk. Oh my god. My neck hurts already. What does Keenan think? He's speaking Spanish because he thinks he's funny. He's moving mad. I think these are too tight. It's making my neck hurt.
Holy fuck.
There's a cliff.
That was me. Just gonna get some water.
Okay.
Not breaking that.
Right, we found a clearing. What's this sign say? Great walks to the right.
Apparently we could have just cut the corner and just gone to Binnaburra.
Midday approached as we descended down Binnaburra and towards the valley which separated it and Springbrook.
My back is broken. Keenan?
My knees are so sweaty.
Yes. Well, yeah. Oh, is that sweat? Oh, I can actually see the sweat on those pants. Damn.
We're gonna have to stop.
Yeah, we got sticks. It's going bad. Everything's going wrong. Yeah. Oh no.
It could be worse. It could be raining.
Oh yeah. It's gonna rain though. Oh, my legs are jingly. Damn.
Jingly.
Jingly legs. My glasses are falling off my face as well. There we go.
And soon after we had encountered this horse, we decided that it was time for lunch.
Here we are, lunch break. I've got my salmon. Eating that. Gonna eat some cheese biscuits. There's Keenan. He's got what's he got? The bread. What are you getting into?
Tuna nuts.
Alright, there's the tuna, there's the nuts. And show the bread, surely. Oh, hey.
I'm gonna die of malnutrition.
Right, let's get a zoom on that tuna. Yeah, right. Oh.
And during lunch, I had been lying on my neck poorly, which made the aftermath unpleasant.
Like here, not good. It's because I was like lying on it badly at our lunch break. Here's the, that was the bed, my bag. And Keenan is also broken. It's
temporary though, because I can stretch.
But oh well, surely things couldn't get any worse. The upcoming lengthy incline may have given us a different opinion.
Alright, update. This is absolute cancer. I regret. Oh my hair is not. Look at the sweat. Oh dear. This was a bad idea. Here's Keenan. Have you run out of water?
Nah, I've got fucking like 2 Skerricks left.
Oh no. I've got 1 water bottle left. And this one's out. We're like 3 Ks from the campsite. The next creek spot we're going to fill up at. Otherwise,
Death.
yeah, death. So yeah, that's all.
But much to our relief, our wishes of water were soon granted.
Where do we walk?
Over there.
Ah, great.
Yeah, we'll drink from this.
Okay.
I'm not even...
There's Keenan, putting tablets in his water. Here's the scene, this is me. I think we're nearly at the campsite, which is very good. My back, oh no, my shoulders are a bit screwed up at this point. Yeah. And after what felt like an eternity, we finally made it to camp. Oh, here we are, we've made it to the campsite.
It was cringe.
Yeah, it was pretty,
It was like fucking kilometre was cringe as fuck. Don't do it just for that last kilometre.
I thought we were lost for a second. But anyway, we made it. And now we got this. No one else is here. This is the campsite. Pretty nice. We're taking this spot here. The good view. All right, tent time.
This is hollow.
New discovery from Ken. The tent is up. It's looking good. So yeah, here's the view. There's my bag. I might have some salmon. That's the next plan of action. My hand's dirty, sort of.
I'm a nut.
Oh, you're gonna have your nuts, right?
I'm a nut.
Good. Alright, here's the scene. There's the tent. There's my bag. There's Keenan. I'm just relaxing. Oh, what's that? It's a leaf.
Bro, that's a gimpy stinging.
Is it? No, it's not. Oh no.
For a moment there.
Oh,
Nah. Even if it was, they don't sting you when they're dead, bro. No.
true. We got some new arrivals over there. There they are.
Chopping wood.
And there's the view.
As evening approached, I retired to the tent and consulted the Bureau of Meteorology.
Alright, sit rep. Big storm coming. I don't think we're gonna get it's going northeast. Check this out. I don't think we're gonna get the brunt of it, but it's gonna rain. We're like, I think we're around there somewhere. So we're gonna get that. Yeah. And Keenan's in the toilet, so so the tent's gonna be all wet now when he comes back. So that's great. Make sure my shoes don't get wet. So would suck. Alright, we're chilling. Very good. Sound of them to the north. which somewhat which sort of matches that. But anyway, we'll see what happens. We're cooking up. It's raining, so I'm just cooking here in the tent. Here's my slop. It's a big eat, obviously. Keenan's cooking up. Here's the setup.
Oh fuck. Vegan.
He's going for beans. Let's see this beans droop into the bloody... What is going on?
The water just fucking fell in the pot.
Oh yeah, that's the water. Yeah, you'll get water. There's the beans. They look a bit sus. Keenan claims they're good. Oy. Oh, they're Greek.
Piss off water.
No, you're gonna get water. That thing's out in the open.
Oh.
And after a night of rain and thunderclaps, morning eventually rolled around. Here's the scene in the morning. Here are the other campers. Tent being disassembled. Here's the departure. Keenan wants to kill himself. Yeah, I'm just commentating your suicidal tendencies. To be fair to Keenan, death may have been a good option, as over the next hour we slogged up a steep incline to Springbrook. It's very steep. Yes, Keenan. But eventually, the ridgeline of Springbrook was reached, and spirits lifted. My man is reversing over there. He's ruining the audio. Here we go. Here's the squad. Hiking squad assembled. We're at Apple Tree Park or something. And we're going to make moves on the road, because the track... What? I don't know. Alright, update. Here we are. We're walking on the road, because the Bolingbrook track is closed. Where's Keenan? There he is. There's the view ahead. Yeah, this is pretty good. Nice and flat. I'm pretty much over the experience of the Great Walk at this point. Probably going to retire from walking after this. Is this your final ever hike, Keenan?
For a while.
Yeah, no, forever.
Forever, yeah.
I'm retiring. I just said it, yeah. What?
Going on once to New Zealand.
That's getting cancelled now. Yeah. Yes. The avenue of trees. Alright, here we are, on the final stretch. We're passing Springbrook School, I think. No, that's just someone's house. The school's up there. Anyway, how's Keenan going?
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, we're still intact. I'm ready for my fast food meal in Nerang. It's gonna be very good.
Yeah.
It's either gonna be Subway or McDonald's. And Keenan, what are you going for?
I don't know, KFC, I think.
He's going for KFC, he claims. Wow. There's the finish. We've made it. It's a successful hike.
It's close a couple times.
In what respect? Oh,
Yeah.
Keenan's legs. Yeah, Keenan nearly died. His legs are nearly turned off.
They're mediocre at the moment.
They're mediocre. Well, look, I'm still going, but I don't want to go anymore because my back's a bit hurting. Legs, they still function.
Yeah, it's just my legs, my shoulders and everything, they're fine.
Okay. And there it is. Is the RAV there? That is the that is the question. Can confirm the RAV is there. It's a success.